Good day and welcome once more to Waffle TV. If this is your first time watching us, we want to remind you that this is a platform where we facilitate the understanding of elementary mathematics, and we also cause parents and teachers to understand basic concepts in elementary mathematics so as to assist young learners in their journey into the study of mathematics, science, and technology. Today, we are fortunate to move to another topic. Of course, we are done with number operations, and today we are looking at something new, algebra, of course. And this is one of the most interesting topics in mathematics. We want to lay a good foundation so that you can better understand how to tackle algebraic expressions. Specifically, today we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. We have our target or the objectives of our lesson, which is to add algebraic expressions by the end of the lesson and to subtract algebraic expressions by the end of the lesson. If this is achieved, then we must have done enough for today. Take note that in algebra, letters represent numbers, and these letters are symbolic and must be mentioned when working. So take note of this, because you'll find letters and numbers put together, and these letters represent numbers. And when working, these numbers must be and these letters must be mentioned. In addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, it is simply done just as in ordinary addition and subtraction. What do we mean by this? Look at this here. An orange plus an orange will obviously give you 2 oranges. So if you have an orange and you add to another orange, it gives you 2 oranges. 2 plus 2, as in ordinary addition, will give us 4. Therefore, x plus x will give us 2x. These are the basic things you have to understand as far as algebraic expressions are concerned. So if with a good understanding of this, let us now go into more examples so that you can understand exactly what to do when it comes to addition of algebraic expressions. Let's look at our first example here. C plus B plus C plus B. What you do first is to bring like terms together, meaning you rearrange so that B, all the B's will come together and the C's will come together. And another thing to take note of is you try to place it in alphabetic order. That is, if you have A, you have B, C, D mixed, then try to bring A first in that order, B together second, C together, D together, and that is going to help you as well to find the correct answer. So in this case, we bring like terms together. We can start with B plus another B plus C plus C. And if you add this, that's B plus B is equal to 2B plus C plus C, which is going to give us 2C. As simple as that. So that's the first example. Follow up with the second example to see what happens. The second example is 3A plus 2A plus A. Here we are fortunate that all the letters are same, so we don't have to rearrange. All what we have to do in this case is to add. So you add the whole numbers first, since all the terms are the same. 3A plus 2A. Let's just replace A with apples. If you have 3 apples plus 2 apples plus 1 apple, all together will give you 6 apples. Our third example says 6x plus 7m plus m plus 3x. What we do is to rearrange, making sure that with x and m comes first and all m together, while x come together. So we can start with m, that is 7m plus m plus 6x plus 3x. This will mean 7m, 7 mango plus a mango. 7m plus m will give us 8m plus 6x plus 3x will give us 9x. And that is our answer as far as this is concerned. Now let us look at subtraction. The first example under subtraction says 14x minus 8x. We are fortunate here that the terms are alike. We don't have different terms to rearrange. So since they are alike, you just subtract directly as in ordinary numbers. 14 minus 8 is going to give us 6x. That's just it. Nothing much. Let's look at the second example. 20k minus 4k minus k. All the terms are alike, so we simply do our ordinary subtraction. 20k minus 4k will be left with 16k, of course, and 16k minus 1k or minus a k from the 16 is going to give us 15k. That's equally as simple as you can find it. So long as the terms are alike, there is nothing to rearrange. We have it only one term, so you just do the ordinary subtraction. Here is our third example. 12w minus 7w plus 4r minus 3r. This is where we have different terms and we have to bring them together. And one of the key things we've noted here is that when bringing the like terms together, we rearrange so that it comes in alphabetic order. W and R comes first. So we put R first together. That is 4r minus 3r plus 12w minus 7w. 4r minus 3r will give us an r or 1r if you want to, plus 12w minus 7w will give us 5w, and this is the same as r plus 5w. This is what you can do as far as subtraction of algebra is concerned and addition of algebra is concerned. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being patient to this moment, and we've come to the end of what we had for you today, and see you in our next lesson. And of course, as I announced in the beginning of the lesson, that we are going to be looking at multiplication and division of algebraic expressions. Ciao.